Hi, STEM stars. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of ecosystems, what they are, how they work, their types, and some very interesting facts about their survival. By the end of this video, you'll understand key questions like, are ecosystem and environment the same? What are ecosystem engineers? Can an ecosystem survive without consumers? And a lot more. Let's get started. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, like plants, animals, and microbes, interacting with each other and with their non-living environment, like air, water, and soil, in a particular area. Or it's a system where biotic, living, and abiotic, non-living components are linked together through energy flows and nutrient cycles. For example, this ocean is an ecosystem and is made up of water, the ocean bed, its beach, and all the living creatures which live in it, such as fishes, coral reefs, or aquatic plants. An ecosystem can be very small, such as this puddle, or very big, such as this vast desert. What are the components of an ecosystem? An ecosystem has two main components. Number one, biotic components, all the living things like producers that are plants, consumers, the animals and decomposers, for example, fungi and bacteria. Number two, abiotic components, the non-living things like sunlight, water, air, soil, and temperature. Each part plays a unique role to keep the system working smoothly. Are ecosystem and environment the same? Great question. The environment is everything around an organism, both living and non-living. But an ecosystem is a specific part of the environment where interactions happen between the organisms and their physical surroundings. It is a system of relationships and energy flow. So, how does an ecosystem function? It works by capturing energy, mostly from the sun, flowing that energy through food chain or food web from producers, consumers, decomposers, cycling nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and water. This process keeps the system alive, balanced, and productive. Now, here's a cool term: ecosystem engineers. These are organisms that create, modify, or maintain the habitat for other organisms. Examples: beavers build dams that form ponds. Earthworms change the structure of the soil. Even corals build reefs that shelter thousands of marine species. They are nature's architects. You might wonder, can an ecosystem survive with only producers? The short answer is no. While producers make food using sunlight, without consumers and decomposers, there's no energy transfer, no recycling of nutrients, and eventually the system will collapse. So every group plays a critical role in the food chain and nutrient cycle. Ecosystems are always changing, but how can ecosystems change? They can change naturally, through events like volcanic eruptions, wildfires, and storms, or due to human activities like deforestation, agriculture, urbanization, and pollution. And yes, ecosystems can be destroyed by human activities, especially when the balance of organisms and environmental conditions is broken. Ecosystems can be classified in many ways. Number one, terrestrial ecosystems, for example, forests, deserts, and grasslands. Number two, aquatic ecosystems, for example, freshwater like lakes, rivers, etc. And marine ecosystems like oceans and coral reefs. There are some man-made artificial ecosystems like farms, aquariums, and gardens. Each type has its own set of plants, animals, and environmental conditions. You might be surprised to learn that the tropical rainforest holds the record for the highest biodiversity in the world. It's home to more than half of all the world's plant and animal species. What ecosystem do you live closest to? A forest, a river, a city park? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.